Okay, starting with the e.l.f. concealer. I'm gonna dot it here and then just pat it out. ColourPop Blush Like Me palette. Blending brush in the shade called Ironic. This will be our over the whole eyelid color. Just blend it out. On the inner corner too, and just work it out. And blend. Taking the shade Girl Band with a pencil brush. Applying it on the outer corner, tapping first, and then working it inward, but concentrating it on the outer corner. Just like that. Back into Girl Band with a detail brush and applying underneath the eye like this. We're also going to apply some on the lash line, just on the outer corner. Unite with a small shadow brush, patting it on the inner corner and then working it outward down here. Applying mascara on the top lashes, getting into the root so it coats that lash line, and then working it out. And doing the bottom lashes as well. Using Throwback as a highlight, just lightly tapping it onto the cheekbone like that. And going into the lower for blush. Also lightly tapping because eyeshadows are very well pigmented. So just a light wash like this. Using this lip oil for my lips and no lip liner. Just straight on. And that is it for a no eyeliner easy eyeshadow look.